In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to your hashed Figma files. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the link option, how to apply a URL to your text, and how to quickly confirm it's working. First, open the Figma website in your browser and sign in. From your dashboard, open the file or page where you want to add a link. Give the canvas a moment to load, then navigate to the frame or section that contains the text you want to make clickable. If you haven't added the text yet, type it in now so it's ready to be linked. Click once on your text to select the entire text layer. If you only want part of the sentence to be linked, switch into text editing by double-clicking the layer, then highlight just the specific words you want to turn into a link. Either way works. What matters is that the text you want linked is selected. Now look to the right side of your screen. This is the Properties panel. In the text section, alongside your font and size settings, you'll see a field labeled Link, often with a small chain icon. Click that link field to activate it. This is where you'll paste the destination you want people to go to. Use a full URL including HTTP or HTTPS to make sure it opens correctly. Paste your link into the field and press Enter to apply it. Once the link is set, Figma will treat that text as clickable. To check it quickly, look for the small link badge or use the option that appears next to the link field to open it. When you click to open, your browser will redirect you to the URL you added, confirming the link works. If you're previewing your design, you can also enter present mode and click the linked text there. It will open in a new browser tab. If your text suddenly appears underlined or changes color after linking, that's just a default style cue. You can adjust it like any other text by changing the fill color or toggling underline in the text settings without affecting the link itself. That's it. Open Figma, open your page, make sure your text is ready, select the text, find the link field on the right, paste your URL and click to be redirected. This simple workflow keeps your designs interactive and makes it easy for teammates and stakeholders to access supporting pages, documents, or external resources directly from your file.